Welcome back. Ever wondered how to blend text with an image in Canva? Well, it's easier than you think. With this simple trick, you can achieve this stunning effect effortlessly. Let's dive in. To start, create a new artboard in Canva and search for an image in the Elements section. I'm going with bird for this tutorial, but feel free to choose any image you like. Don't worry about whether the image has a background or not. If it does, we'll remove it using Canva's background removal tool. I'll pick this bird image, and with just a click on the background remover, we'll have a clean, transparent version of it. This process takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Once done, I'll download the image as a PNG with a transparent background. We'll need it for the next steps. Now head over to the Apps section and open the app called TypeCut. This is where the magic happens. Add your text or even just a single letter. From here, tweak the settings to match your vision. Next, upload the bird image we saved earlier and place it in the design. Switch to edit mode, scale the image, and position it perfectly within the text using your mouse. Once you're happy with it, click Finish Edit to save your adjustments and add it to the artboard. To make the design pop, I'll change the background color to black. It creates a nice contrast and really highlights the blended text effect. Now, let's fine-tune the design. Resize both the text and the bird layer, and make sure the bird layer is on top by right-clicking and choosing Bring Forward. Once everything is aligned, I'll adjust the top layer by dragging it slightly from the right to create a cropped effect that blends seamlessly with the text. It's such a simple step, but makes all the difference. To finish things off, I'll add another piece of text in front of the design, using a font that complements the overall style. For the final touch, I'll go back to the Apps section, search for Mesh Gradient, and apply it as a background effect with matching colors. It adds depth and pulls the entire design together beautifully. And there you have it, a stunning, professional-looking blended text effect in Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for any project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more creative ideas. See you in the next one.